If your phone too slow when overheating, here how to close all the apps and get your device to normal. So as for the buttons navigation, locate this button with the 3 lines on it. It's usually the left one. Tap on it and here you'll see the list of the opened application. You can go through it by swiping left and right. And to close the application, simply swipe up. Like this, you can close them one by one, or if you want to close all of them simultaneously, simply press on Close All button. Now, if we're gonna check it once again, let's do this. As you see, no recently used apps are opened, which is a really great sign. On some Android phones, to reach this Close All, you have to swipe down to the leftist one, and then this option will appear. If you're using your gestures navigation, the process is pretty much the same. So to enter your recent apps menu, you have to swipe up from the bottom of the screen and release your finger around the middle, just like this. Let me repeat it, just like this. So once again, you can close them one by one, or you can press Close All, and that will do. So as you see, no recently used apps. And basically that's it. If an app still causes issues after these steps, you can try to restart your phone. And to keep your phone running smoothly, regularly check and close all of the opened apps. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.